Torx T30. T15. So just push it up. Now remove this one, pull out this end somehow and lift it up. Now pull it that way. So this is holding it. And the other one is just inserted under. Now disconnect those. Push down. Now you have to push in that thing. So that portion has to be disconnected. Now open that one. Now it's closed, now it's opened. Pull it out. Lift it up. And disconnect this. And you have wires here on this side. Push in the sides. And one more cable here. For the lamp you have to twist it. And that's it. The door panel is off. These were sometimes removed I did not remove those. They were here, plastics. This has to be pulled out, or exactly the center. Now it's pushed in and it's locked. Now this can be pushed in from the side, thus it's unlocked. And it's also moving up and down. Now that these are disconnected, the windows are not working. So power, nothing. Dashboard is on, nothing. Nothing. Door is opening. Now let's reinsert the front one. Now from here it is working. And this is also working. If I remove this one, this is removed. Now that's not working either. So without this, none of them are working. Nothing. There's the front one. This is not working. This is working. Now only the rear is inserted, the brown. And it's not working. Front is not working. Both of them. It's working. And it's not working. From this it's working. From that is not working. When I insert my hand here, a ticking sound is heard. A relay somewhere. Let's see, can I open it from this? Difficult. But it's possible. You have to pull it around 2 centimeters. Now when I insert this, the other doors are locking and unlocking. If I disconnect the last one, then I think the doors will open. Opened. Opened. So the last one is keeping it locked, although it's unlocked. So let's plug that in. Something happened again. Yes, it locked the doors. This is still open. Now they open. So this should be for the interior. Yes, it's disabling it. It's disabling it from the inside, although it's locked. Now it should open from the inside. Yes, it opened. So if this one for the child protection is not connected, then only the driver's door can be closed. The rest of those 3 doors remain open. So that's highly necessary. to remove this, you have to lift up that thing, pull it towards you, and it comes off. So just lift this up, push it towards you. Now with that small connector removed, there is no ticking sound anymore. Now that wire was reconnected, and now we have that relay sound, and I insert my hand. So that wire, that one is for the relay for this sensor.